Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Today we will discuss 10 best online legal services with buying guides and reviews. Finding reliable online legal services is crucial for various legal needs. Online legal services offer convenience and affordability from drafting documents to obtaining expert advice. Here is a curated list of the 10 best online legal services, each with a concise one line description. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1, LegalZoom. Let's know its features. The platform provides easy access to legal advice and resources. Quick document creation saves time and is suitable for straightforward legal matters. Online convenience allow user to handle legal tasks remotely. Offer affordable legal document preparation service. Number 2, Rocket Lawyer. Let's know its features. Rocket Lawyers offer accessible legal document templates for various needs. The platform provides affordable legal advice through its description service. User can conveniently create, edit, and store legal document online. Number 3, Avo. Let's know its features. Provide access to a vast lawyer. User can read client reviews, adding information, attorney selection. The platform offers a free legal Q&A section for guidance. Avo's rating system helps users assess lawyers' professional background efficiently. Number 4, UpCounsel. Let's know its features. UpCounsel connect businesses with experienced, vetted legal professional quickly. Cost-effective legal solution with transparent pricing benefits small business financially. Access to a diverse pool of legal expert broaden expertise options. Number 5, Nolo. Let's know its features. Nolo simplified legal processes, making them accessible to everyone. It offers cost-effective legal solutions, saving users substantial financial resources. The platform empowers individuals to handle legal matters independently and confidently. Number 6, MyCase. Let's know its features. MyCase streamlines case management, enhancing overall legal efficiency and organization. Its user-friendly interface facilitates quick learning for legal professionals. Robust document management ensures secure storage and easy retrieval. Number 7, Legal Shield. Let's know its features. Legal Shield offers affordable legal service for individuals and small businesses. The service provides access to a network of experienced attorneys. Members receive legal consultations without worrying about high hourly fees. Number 8, Law Depot. Let's know its features. Affordable service compared to hiring a legal profession for documents. Customizable templates provide flexibility to meet individual document needs effectively. A user-friendly interface assures a straightforward and accessible document creation process. Number 9, Legal Match. Let's know its features. Legal Match connect client with qualified attorneys for prompt legal assistance. The platform offers a diverse range of legal practice areas. Users benefit from a simplified attorney selection process for efficiency. provide an affordable avenue for legal support. Number 10, HelloSign. Let's know its features. Streamlines documents signing, enhance workflow efficiency for collaborative project. User-friendly interface simplifies the signing process, ensuring accessibility for all. Secure encryption and compliance with industry standard safeguard sensitive information. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestadvancedsoftware.com. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestadvancedsoftware1891. Thanks for watching.